Okay, so may nag-comment, why are you acting like a high teenager? Siguro pag nagbi-video after workout, meron tinatawag na natural high, endorphin kick. After an intense activity, eating chocolate, having sex, or working out. So, I'm naturally high in endorphins kasi nag-workout ako and I'm doing my cardio. And I'm living a happy, blessed life. I stay away from negativity. I do my best, I let the comments stay, but pag si Mrs. na yung inaano o ibang tao, binablock ko na. Pag ako, kaya ko naman. Iyak ko naman na ilalabas ko naman na mamonetize ko pa. Di ba? May sariling drama dito. Totoo naman yung iyak ko. Hindi naman yun talagang masakit eh. May pinagdaanan din naman ako. Tama naman kayo. So nagsama-sama. Ngayon medyo okay na nakakaluwag. Bait talaga si Lord. So maraming salamat. May reasons lahat. Walang coincidence. Nandiyan yung mga fan supporters to motivate me, to keep me strong. Kami naman yung mga haters dyan para lagi kang on your feet, to be at your best, to look your best, and give your best. And always practice patience and open mind. Tama kayo. Mali ako. I'm not your doctor. Do what you. Happy, healthy.